To Grand Manan!
Yay!
Life is very good. It is very peaceful and quiet. It's a slow pace kind of life. It's built all around fishing, right? Everything in the ocean comes out of the ocean and onto the island, and that's the life. It's fishing and
Peace, right? Peace, nice.
oh, very peaceful. It's a very nice community. Everybody's very helpful, and
It's not noisy, right? So the
no, it's not very noisy.
it's good. Nice.
Yeah, it's a very nice spot to live. Yeah, there is an Anchorage campsite that you could actually bring a trailer and camp at that campsite. And then there are many Airbnbs, like you can rent out little cabins around. There is a motel that is actually right when you get off the ferry. You can see it on the left-hand side. And yeah, there is plenty of places to stay if you're visiting. In the summertime, we have actually a lot of whale watching that goes on, and you can go out on tour boats here that will take you out whale watching, and they'll actually take you to an island with a lot of puffins. That's the type of bird, and you can do that, and there's lots of trails you can hike on, and yeah, places to eat. There is a High Seas restaurant actually down here in Seals Cove, and yeah, there's 3 or 4 other nice restaurants on the island. There's good lobster you can get here at Benson's Lobster. My boss also has a tank house. It's called My Four Kids Fishery. He has lots of lobster as well.